Mac 0311 No Kill Shelter of the Week is the Arizona Animal Welfare League. They actually monitor kill shelters and rescue those dogs and cats that are about to be destroyed. Subscribe to see the most interesting design in chicken tractors ever, which is going to be built in the next 10 days because I just had an emergency and needed a cheap and safe alternative to let these birds have some leg room. I think my baby chicks grew 33% in the last week, and I need to get them in another place to live, or I would be considered a bad farmer, a neglectful man. You see a shed, I see a house. Have you ever found yourself after checkout at Home Depot asking yourself why there's a hot dog stand right by the exit? Well, it's time for a hot dog, Chicago style. This is a Red Hot Chicago dog. That's the name of the company that makes it. Ironically, the guy who started this company is the son of the Vienna family, so he is in competition. I got 2 hot dogs, a drink, a bag of chips for $6. Let's give it a try. It's just as good. It's just as good as Vienna. I've had it before and I've thought this is better than Vienna. Today we're going to build a brooder for my 7-week-old chicks, and these are all the tools I needed to do it. So I just got back from Home Depot and I purchased 5 medium-sized boxes. Why medium? Because the large boxes were no taller. So using my foot cushions from my workbench, where this will have to be housed because of the window next to it, I put that down to separate them from the concrete for some heat. This is a 6x8 tarp. It happens to be 5 mil. I don't believe that's important to this story, but in case you're wondering. And I'm using this because I'm throwing the wood shavings right on top. Mac 0311 suggested that I use Gorilla Tape, so I'm trying that out today. Gorilla Tape will be used to cover the slits in the bottom of the box, and the 93M is going to be used to glue 2 wall panels of the box together to keep it solid. Okay, this is accidentally coffin shape, but you can see I did tape off those flaps so they can't get their way out, at least out the bottom. We will see if they fly their way out. I have a feeling they will, but if they're hungry, they won't next time. And I could drop the top flap so it's easier for me to reach and change the food. So I'm going to fill it up, and we're going to get these poor little guys out of that, what was a very large home. Now they got standing room only, and we're going to give them a chance to stretch them legs. This is their new living quarters. Above on one side is the heat lamp, which is connected by a very heavy gauge chain. Also blowing directly into this box is the forced air heater from the house. So I may not need the light. I'll check daily. So over the Christmas holiday, for about the next 10 days, this will be their home, and I will be diligently working on building the chicken tractor. That is coming up in the next few videos, so subscribe if you want to see one of the greatest designs in chicken tractors ever. Please don't take this as a confirmation of my abilities.